First impressions matter. Did you know that the average adult has a 20-second attention span at a networking event? Are you effective at networking? Do you quickly engage others? Do you get those business cards and follow up in a timely fashion? Would you like to? My name is Jolene Watson, President of Clarity Coaching and Development, personality expert and professional speaker. I've created a professional networking mastery seminar. Topics that I cover are understanding personality type and communication styles. So what is your intent versus how are you perceived by others? That's very important. Do you follow up in a timely fashion once you get that business card? And more importantly, are you asking engaging and appropriate questions for your conversation starters? There are 3 different packages to choose from. Number 1, private coaching. Number 2, public seminars where you can come meet like-minded business professionals and actually practice. And the third option is I can come to your place of business for a private workshop. For more information, please visit my website, www.jolenewatson.com, or give me a call, 306-220-0739. And if you're an introvert, you probably aren't comfortable with attending networking events, so you definitely want to be coming to my seminar. First impressions do matter.